ਇਹ ਪਿਕਚਰ 'ਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ? A desert, okay? ਹਾਂਜੀ Okay, desert ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵੱਡੀ lake ਹੈਗੀ ਆ. Okay, let's go from there. So there's a lake in the desert, है ना? ਤੇ ਜੋ ਕੋਈ ਪਿਆਸਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੋਗਾ or any thirsty animal, what would they do? They will go towards the lake and drink the water, है ना? So let me show you something. ਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਸਾਈਕਲਿੰਗ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਡੈਜ਼ਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 10 ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਦੀ ਕਲਿੱਪ ਤੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਇਟਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਫਾਸਟ ਸੋ ਯੂ ਨੀਡ ਟੂ ਫੋਕਸ ਰੈਡੀ ਸੋ ਉਹ ਲੇਕ ਵੱਲ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਐਂਡ ਵਾਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦੈਟ ਰੌਕਸ ਵੇਅਰ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾਣੀ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋ ਨਾਓ ਟੈਲ ਮੀ ਵਾਟ ਡੂ ਯੂ ਸੀ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਸੋ ਵਾਟਸ ਦ ਇਲੂਜ਼ਨ कि लगता जिमें पानी हैगा आ ते जदों आपां लागे जाने when we start going closer is there पानी it was an illusion and science call this a mirage maya is just like that it makes you feel like something is real oh I can see it is real but when you start going closer which means you start understanding what maya is you start going closer to Guru Sahib you start reading Gurbani, you start doing Sangat, फिर तुहानू लगदा है कि नहीं असल च है ही नहीं सी पानी, it was just a desert. Okay? Alright. So, Maya is like the shadow of Vaheguru. हाथ थले करो. Okay? पहला आपां सुनना है. Maya is like the shadow of Vaheguru. Okay, तुसी अपनी shadow नू capture कर सकदे? Can you catch someone's shadow? नहीं. If someone runs away, will the shadow stay there? No. And will the shadow remain the same? Yes or no? No. Depending on the sun, direction and so on, kade vadda, kade chota. So Maya is like the shadow of Vaheguru. What is real? Is it the person? Is the person real or the shadow? What is real? The person, right? So what is real? Maya or Vaheguru? Vaheguru. And Maya is not real. It's like, for example, when we look at the shadow, we don't see that it's real. Maya is just like that. It makes you feel like everything is real, like, oh, sorry, we are dressed up in different color, Bani, everything is real, this is the world, and YOLO, you only live once and that's it. But Guruji says that is not real, just like the shadow. Okay? So, Gurbani says as well, can somebody read this Pankti for me? Anji, let's have one of the boys. Hanji, tusi padho. Hanji. Uchchi dene padho. हाँ. So, तीन गुना एक सख्त उपाया. And Mahamaya, the great Maya, is just the chaya, the shadow of Vaheguru. Okay, I'm going to give you one assignment that I gave to the BPM today for their class. So, teen guna. Everything in the world can be divided into 3 different categories. Okay? So, even our avastha as a person. So, what do you call an avastha when we are so happy and positive? Onu aapa ki kehne a? It starts with a C. All the Shaheed Singh Singhaniya Pujangiyan, even though they went through Shahidi, but they were always in Chardi Kala. Okay? Then we have a second avastha, which is like, not here nor there, and we call it Kardi Kala. Like, is this stagnant? You're not moving up, you're not going down, you're just there. Then we have one avastha, which is Standi Kala, is like going downwards. Hana? Koi progress nahi, you're getting worse and worse. So everything we see in this world can be divided into 3. Everybody repeat after me. Satogun. Louder. Okay, without mic to bina, I can speak louder than everybody sitting here. So, tonu challenge hai. Je main mic na bolgi, tusi mic to bina uchchi bolne chahiye hai, theek hai? Okay. So, Satogun, Rajogun, Tamogun. So, which one is good? So, Satogun, having good virtues, a good life. Which one is in the middle? Rajogun. Okay, and which is really bad? Tamogun. Okay, so now tell me an example. A satogun, a sattvic, a sato food. A food that is satoguni. Is ice cream good? No. So give me a food that is satoguni. Food. Prashada. Okay, give me a food that is tamoguni. Kareli should be here. Just because you don't like it, you bring it down. What food is tamoguni? What food? Ice cream. Okay? Hanji? Banana shake. Okay, that might be in rajoguni because you've got fruit, but then got ice cream here. So that's like in the middle. Okay? Give me one outfit, one type of clothing that is satoguni clothing. Chola, bana. Give me one kind of outfit that is tamoguni. Shorts and like skirts, mini skirts, shorts and all. See, everything in Maya can be divided in very good, middle ground, and not good. Okay, Hanji? Chips and something that it's in this Gurdwara. Then me Guru Sahib de samne keh deni hai so that we will bring some change. Is Gatorade sato food or tamo food? So is it good? Is Gatorade good? No. So peanut chaida? No. No. Anything that makes you away, takes you away from Vaiguruji, that tamasic tamo stuff, kapade, lifestyle, food is a big no-no. Okay? Alright. It is that Maya is like a shadow of Vaiguruji. You can't see, you can't catch it. But you can see it, you feel like it's real. But is it real? No, it's like the mirage. Maya is like dreaming in our sleep. Okay, let me ask you this question. So, everybody's awake now? I don't know. Is everybody awake now? ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਆ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਇਹੀ awake ਆ. Do you know when you go to a ਚਲੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ concert ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ, you if you go to a concert, ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ we do try not to. If people go to a concert, which are the best seats in the concert? The front seat. And they're the most expensive one, right? Then when you go to the concert and at the back, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਦਿਸਦਾ? If let's say the pop star, the celebrity throws something towards the audience, who has a higher chance of getting that thing? The middle or the front people, okay? Alright? So Guru Sahib is for us our celebrity. They jere samne baithe hunde they are the ones who always get all the blessings and the kirpa. And jere piche baithe hunde we don't know whether they are awake or not. So are you awake? Jagde ho tusi? Okay, so tusi ਜਾਗਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੋ. Okay, ਹੁਣ ਕਹਿ ਲੋ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੌਂਗੇ. You go to sleep. And then in your sleep you had a dream. Can somebody share a dream with me? Give me some ideas of a dream. Okay, Hanji. A fast one sentence. What dream is that? Okay, so you had a dream and in the dream there was a big donut. And that donut became a monster and wanted to eat you. Okay, kuch bhi. Or you're falling into something. You had this dream. Then you wake up, tusi uthde ho and tusi kehne oh, main aa supna dekhya si. But was that supna real? How did you know you had deep sleep? You were asleep. Huh? So, how did you know ki tusi gehri neend ch sutte si? Feeling you ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ body ਤਾਂ ਸੁੱਤਾ ਪਿਆ ਮਨ ਵੀ ਸੌਂ ਗਿਆ. So how did you know you were in deep sleep? ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ? ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਪਰ ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁੱਤੇ ਪਏ ਸੀ ਗਹਿਰੀ ਨੀਂਦ 'ਚ? It was not a feeling because the mind was asleep, body was asleep. ਕੋਈ ਬੰਬ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ ਸੀ, ਇੰਨੀ ਗਹਿਰੀ ਨੀਂਦ ਸੀ. So how did you know ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਹਿਰੀ ਨੀਂਦ ਆਈ? ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ which is in you knows everything. So does Vaiguruji sleep? No, which is your Atma. It doesn't sleep. Pave kuch bhi hunda hove, your Atma knows what is happening. Okay? So Maya is like dreaming in our sleep. Okay, can somebody read the pankti for me? Uthu ek bibi padhe pankti.
Oh, son.
Uchchi dene padho. Jao. हाँ, pause. माधवे क्या कहिए भ्रम ऐसा, भ्रम means the illusion. What can I say about illusion, about Maya? जैसा मानिए वो ना तैसा is like what you see is not what you believe. What you believe is not what you see. It's confusing. So there's a Sakhi here. Narpat ek, there was a king. Singhasan soya, supne paya pikhari. So there was a king. Let me tell this Sakhi. Do you know who is this person here? Anybody knows about this Sakhi? Hanji? Okay. So this is Raja Janak and that is Ashtavakar. Okay, हमने सारे ने साखी सुनी है. Ashtavakar was just a child, like the middle group here. जेरे 11 to 13 सालन दे group ना Ashtavakar थोड़े उम्र तो he was a Brahmgyani from the red group age. He was already a Brahmgyani. Okay, he was a Brahmgyani when he was born. Ashtavakar, when he grew up, people used to look down on him. Ashtavakar means he was banned from 8 limbs. 8 anga to moria hoya siga sari. So torda bhi in a very interesting way. Te jere Brahman Pandit si ਉਹਨੂੰ seriously नहीं लेंदे ਸੀ. एक दिन राजा जनक अपने दरबार से बैठा. राजा जनक दरबार से बैठा बैठा he felt so bored. जिਵੇਂ कदे कदे ਆਪਾਂ दरबार से बैठे ਸਾਨੂੰ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ. ਉੱਥੇ ਦਰਬਾਰ 'ਚ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਲੜਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਰਾਜੇ ਜਨਕ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਖ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਉਹ ਸੌਂ ਗਿਆ ਉਹ ਥੋੜੇ ਦੇ ਨੀਂਦ ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਾਜਾ ਜਨਕ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਿੰਘਾਸਨ ਤੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਸੀਗਾ he had a dream ਕਿ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਭਇਆ ਭਿਖਾਰੀ ਉਹ ਭਿਖਾਰੀ ਬਣ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਭਿਖਾਰੀ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਉਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਫਿਰਦਾ ਤੇ ਭੀਖ ਮੰਗਣ ਲੱਗ ਪਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ ਇਦਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖਾਣਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਚਿੜੀ ਆਈ a bird came and took his food away ਤੇ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਰਾਜਾ ਜਨਕ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੇ ਚੀਕ ਮਾਰੀ when he screamed he woke up ਜਦੋਂ ਉੱਠਿਆ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਸੀ ਦਰਬਾਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਇਹ ਸੱਚ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਸੱਚ सवाल समझाई Did you understand the question? ए सच कि ओ सच उन्हें कह लो तुसी सारे मिनिस्टर्स हो ए राजा जनक थानू पूछ दे ए सच कि ओ सच हैं हाँ this was the response the ministers gave कि की बोली जांदा है राजा जनक no one could answer Ashtavakar came to the darbar and Ashtavakar looks at Raja Janak and Raja Janak says I'm going to ask him He asked the same question to Ashtavakar. And that A sach ke O sach. You know what Ashtavakar said? And na A sach na O sach. What does it mean? Anybody wants to help me? Na A sach na O sach. Hanji. No, the dream was not real. Means supne de vich you was a pikhari. O di nahi sach. Even such means in this world you're a king, even this is not true. Which means that oh chota supna siga neend de vich and we are living in a big dream. But they supna which is this whole world. Okay? So now I want to share with you a game which is what we are learning today, how to win the game of life. ठीक है? क्योंकि we are living in a supna. Are we living in a dream? See, some people say no because everything seems like asli, looks like real to us. But evi bahut vada supna hai. Okay, so let's look at this dream. Let's look at this game of life, okay? So, some of you anyone here plays games? Game khedde tusi? Okay. Why do you play a game? There's always like a mission. Correct? कोई mission होता है. Okay. So what is our mission? What is our aim? our aim is to सारे पढ़ो एक 1 2 3 oh my goodness लाइगा आ गया how my this sounded like a Chinese word okay to destroy hum and merge back to Vaheguru ये अपना mission है okay our mission our aim is to destroy hum and go back to Vaheguru a game the mission है okay who is a character good you are the character you are the main character in this game they like in my game I'm the main character and you are my supporting characters my sangha in your game you are the main character ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ supporting characters your family your friends okay enemies ਹੁਣ ਇਸ game ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ okay any other enemy okay enemy is Maya हाँ मैं and the Panchachor okay ये अपने दुश्मन है alright how many levels to this game 3 levels any guesses what are the levels आता हूँ ना सीख every day you have to do this right but what are the 3 levels in this game okay so let's go through them level 1 is body level 2 is mind and level 3 is ultimate game this is the one-to-one battle Homer versus Nam a one-to-one battle Homer level 1 is body okay why body Hanji good because ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ body ਦੇ ਨਾਲ right we live in this world we live because of the body and now your body is telling you that you're going to be very flimsy and fidgety and you're moving around okay let me challenge you before I continue the game I want to see whether you guys are worthy to play this game or not sit like a rock chankra back straight okay I'm going to give you a challenge your challenge is let's try maina yuba city kitta siga so let's see if yuba city sangat is stronger or freshness sangat is stronger okay all right your challenge is ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਆ when I say hold your breath when you hold your breath you're going to do Vaheguru Simran in your mind as fast as you can and you're going to count how many Simran you have done by using the every anga ਜਿਵੇਂ ਭਾਈ ਮਨੀ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ every ਅੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਕੱਟਿਆ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬੰਦ ਕਟਾਇਆ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬੰਦ ਚ Vaheguru Simran ਦਾ ਕਾਊਂਟ ਕਰਨਾ Vaheguru 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 एक उंगलियां से you have 14 so you count how many rounds you can do in one breath एक सांस मतलब चीटिंग नहीं करनी विसा लेके आई नहीं करना okay in one breath all right ready ते फिर you're going to tell me I'll ask you this question later but for that I need your eyes your body to shut down body shut down meaning ਅੱਖਾਂ ਬੰਦ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵੀ ਬੰਦ ਅੱਖ ਬੰਦ ਕਰੋ don't take any information to your mind body ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਨ ਨੂੰ information ਦੇਣਾ okay too much information brain overload ਮਨ overload okay back straight ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਤੇ ਅੱਖ ਬੰਦ when I say breathe in ਲੰਬਾ ਸਾਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ hold your breath then you start your simran okay wait थोड़ा relax okay all right so breathe in hold your breath start being good, you don't need to go to the doctors. Good job. Okay, so how many of you were able to do 2.5? 2.5 means ek hath, 2.5 means like 2.5. Good. Anyone less than that? Means ek hath nahi hoya. Okay, 2 hath. Okay, so minimum is 2.5. Okay, 10. 3 full palms. 10. 4. 5. Very good. 6. Okay, good. 6 means like very good. 6 onwards is good. Okay? Huh? means like just how many times you can do. So एक हाथ च 14 वारी वाहिगुरू कह के फिर थोड़ा साह आ जाता, कि 2 means 28 बार कह के थोड़ा साह आ जाता. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Doesn't matter how many times you did. मेरा ये सवाल है, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਮਨ ਚ, was there any thought? Only Vaheguru. Okay, so this is how we win level 2. The mind, control over the mind. Body ਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ control ਕਰਨਾ? Through 3 things. Your food, your health, your diet, your breathing. Okay, your lifestyle, food, lifestyle and your breathing. Okay, ਹੁਣ ਅੱਖ ਬੰਦ ਕਰੋ and I want you to check where do you breathe from. मतलब ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ we breathe through our nose and all, but sometimes we don't know how we breathe. Okay, all right. So close your eyes. I'm just going to count 10 seconds. I want you to tell me. Let me ask you a question. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ breathe ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? Okay? ਸਿੱਧਾ ਬੈਠੋ. ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ. All right? Okay, ਅੱਖ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਕੇ and breathe normally. When you're breathing, ਸਾਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾਹੇ, ਸਾਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਗੁਰੂ. Okay, open your eyes. How many of you ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਹ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ abdomen ਅੰਦਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ? Okay, how many of you ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਹ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ? Breathing through your mouth. Huh? Breathing through your mouth. Okay, how many of you breathing through your chest? ਛਾਤੀ ਉੱਪਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ. Okay, good. The right way of breathing is your abdomen is expanding, contracting, ਤੇ ਨਾਸਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਾਹ ਲੈਣਾ ਹੈ. So when you're doing Simran, Sant Atar Singh ji used to tell us this trick. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਇਆ ਮਨ ਜੁੜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇੱਕ ਪੈਰ ਵਾਹੇ, ਦੂਜੇ ਪੈਰ, ਇੱਕ ਪੈਰ ਵਾਹੇ, ਦੂਜੇ ਪੈਰ, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਹ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਵਾਹੇ, ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਹ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਗੁਰੂ. Or you can hold your breath just to make your mind focus, okay? To try to focus your mind. ਪਰ ਇਹ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹੀ ਤਰੀਕਾ ਨਹੀਂਗਾ. Anyway, Mark ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, while how you're walking around, do Simran. You're playing, you're doing work, do Simran. So 3 levels. Number 1 is body. What kind of food are you eating? If you're eating unhealthy food, can you do bhakti? Can you sit down chaunkara maar ke? Jere healthy food khande a, they can sit like a rock in chaunkara for hours, like Bhai Sahib ji. But jere nahi healthy food khande, then they're very flimsy and fidgety. Can't sit. Godde dukhan lag jande a. I'm not talking about Buzurg, but your age. Okay? Then your lifestyle. What do you watch? What kind of sangat you have? Akkhan kanna naal ki karde? ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ lifestyle ਆ. Whatever you do with your body, ਇਹ level 2 ਤੱਕ mind ਨੂੰ affect ਕਰੂ. Many of us, we fail at what level? What level? Is it level 1, level 2 or level 3? Which level do we fail? Level 1. Okay, we cannot control our body. We don't have a good lifestyle. All the Gursikhs, they have passed the game of life, they have won, they have control over their body. Their lifestyle was sucha jeevan. What they wear, oh khande ki si, bolde ki si, pehande ki si, is tarah di sangat si. Level 1 pass. Jodo body te control aa gaya, then your mind can be easily controlled. Because the Panchachor, tell me, where does the enemy of Panchachor live in? Oh kithe rehde ya? They live in your body. Is dehi andar Panchachor vasai. The Kam, Kro, Lomo, Ankara. So if you can't pass level 1 body, then a Panchachor is gonna win. Or thief fail. Then you go to the mind, where you control the mind. Even though the mind has thoughts, the mind says, "Eh, karla, ithe gurdware rehne jaan do. Come on, you need to chill out with your friends. You need to go out, be a cool person. That's what the world wants." Mind is gonna tell you do all this, but because you have Gurbani, you have Sangat, you do your Simran, you can win over your mind. Then at the 3rd level, that's the toughest part. Bahut okhaya, where you already do your bhakti. That's what Bibji was telling about the 9 types of Bairag. but you still cannot let go of certain things. You still have hope. There's no one like me. Look at me, I'm so cool. Look at me, I wear bana, you don't wear bana. I do Simran, I know Satya, I can read bani, you can't do. All these comparisons. The Mara says, in this body there's only one thing. You only must have one thing that decides whether you win the game or not. So imagine the game, Home versus Nam. So it's either you have Home in you or you have Nam in you. And that will determine whether you win this game or not. Okay? So, training ground. So before we enter this game, we have a training ground. Anyone wants to guess? Sari training kithe hundi hai? Before we enter this world. Oh, I just gave a clue there. Before we enter the arena, this world, we go through a training. Andy? Very good. In the mother's womb. For how long? 9 months. Very long training. Some video games, okay, set, start the game. It takes 9 months. And what do you do? What training do we go through in the mother's womb for 9 months? Keri training hundi hai? Imagine 9 months पानी च रह के and suddenly we are out here and we सानू बस सिखना पैंदा कि साह किद्दां लेना. Bani, oh I heard Bani, but anyways, Bani, okay, we hear Bani. What keeps us alive in the mother's womb? Only Vaheguru. Okay, मात गर्भ में आपन सिमरन दे तैतम राखण हारे. The Simran keeps us alive in the mother's womb. And Mara says, Jaisi agar udar mein hai, taisi bahar mein. So Mara says, if you can train yourself in the mother's womb, and all of us went through training and we passed. Kyunki aapa maat garab de vich Simran karde si. But you know what's the problem? So all of us went through perfect training. 9 months, we did Simran, we did Bhakti, we remembered all our past janam, and we got scared. Oh no, main ta fail ho gayi sigi. Maharaj reminds us, "Ay janam cha fail hui si, theek hai? Hona nahi fail hona." And you remember, and you say, "Vaheguru, Vaheguru," when you do bhakti. But there's a problem. What's the problem? Oh yes, we forget the moment apa arena enter karde, we take birth, we forget. Guru Amar Das Ji says this in another side. Live shurki lagi Krishna, Maya Amar Vataya. Maya has said, welcome to the game. Entry de aur to pehla hi bas the. Maya Amar Vataya. And Maharaj and all the Gursikhs and all the Shaheed Sikhs are level 3. They already passed the game and they said, Gurpreet aur aaja, lang ke aaja. And you go like, what? You know like somebody just throw a puff of gas on your face and you just forget everything. Maya Amar Vataya. And you're like, wow, this world is amazing. Friends, wow, social media, wow, cool, the world, everything, wow. And then Gursikh kehndi aaja, Guru Sahib kehndi, Shaheed says, aaja. Sade kol aaja. And you go like, what? Wait, time aaga. Wait, time will come. But we lose time. Every game there's a time limit. We lose the time and then we don't make it towards the end. Then you have to restart. And who wants to restart? Oh no, nobody wants to restart. Koi restart baat nahi dabana chala. So, but this is our only chance. That's why it's very important to stay alert. Savdani vich zindagi jioni hai. So you need to win all this level. Fight home, man. Always any problem in your life. Guruji, Guru Sahib. And yesterday in the Q&A, what is the one thing that's most important? Starts with S. The first one, Sangat. Okay? Alright. So I want to end my, I think I won't do this part. How much time we have music? 10 minutes? Okay. I want to share a Sakhi with you about, before I share the Sakhi, maybe tomorrow I'll share. Very interesting Sakhi. So in this game, we need to know what's Satya and what's Chutha. Kala we did, right? Both two sides of a coin. One is Satya and the opposite is? Okay, now tell me Satya ki hai? Hanji? सच इज वाहिगुरु, झूठ किया, झूठ इज होम, झूठ किया Maya. Very good. Okay, so look at this Rassi. Let me tell you a story. Okay, imagine I lock you in a room. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ room 'ਚ ਬੰਦ ਕਰਤਾ ਤੇ room 'ਚ is pitch dark, ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਸਦਾ, ਕੁਛ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ, and then ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਆਏ ਹੱਥ ਕਰ ਕਰਕੇ like blind people ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਆਏ ਹੱਥ ਕਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਰਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਵਧਾਨੀ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ, and suddenly you step on something that feels like something else. Gurbani says this, Raj koi anga prasang jaise hai ab kach maram janaya. It's like a story that it's a rope but it feels like a snake. So oh banda ja raha hai, tusi fir kamre jane, you step on something, you go, oh no, sap ya sap sap, te dore aale duale, because you say oh it's a snake, everybody else gets scared. Hi sap, अंधे हुए पे, you can't see, कुछ नहीं दिसता. Then you call out, you cry out, somebody help us, save us. गुरु साहिब आਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਆਪਣੀ ਫੌਜ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜਦੇ, ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਨੇ, ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ comes in and says ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੱਥੇ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਸਦਾ, ਸੱਪ ਆ ਕਮਰੇ 'ਚ. And then the ਗੁਰਸਿੱਖ says ਲੈ ਫਿਰ ਲਾਈਟ ਜਗਾ ਲਓ, and you go like oh ਸੋਚਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ. Then they just go and switch on the light. And what do you see in front of you? A rope. That is Maya. I put you in a room and it's pitch dark. But किसी ने सोचा सी मैं light on कर लगा? Did anybody think? No. That's why we need a guru in our life, because we take birth in this world and we are living अक्खा बंद करके अन्य मांगो जीने हैं, ignorant. That's why Gu is darkness, ignorant. But Guru Sahib कहते हैं open your eyes, switch on the light of wisdom of Gyan and see कि तुम्हारे सामने is not a snake, it's just a rope. Okay? So, सच किया, नाम, what is true? Okay? Something true will only stay the same in the past, in the present, in the future. And that is only Ek, Vaheguru. Okay? So let me tell you the story and I will end this lecture. Okay. Do you know who is this little boy? Nachiketa. Okay? And I love this story. Nachiketa, and oh jara scary looking figure is Dharamraj. Okay? Alright. So Gurbani vich vi Dharamraj da zikr honda hai. And they are not nice people. But they are scared of Gursikhs. Jamdood, Dharamraj, they are scared of Gursikhs. Gursikhs तो बहुत डरते हैं. कहते मारे गुरबाणी में कहते जम लज्जाए कर भागा, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨਾਮ ਬਾਣੀ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਨਾਮ ਬਾਣੀ ਜਪਦੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੇ. ਹਸਪਤਾਂ ਦੀ they do our ਸੇਵਾ. Anyways, Nachiketa was a boy, ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਮਰ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਸੀਗਾ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਉਮਰ ਦਾ. ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ father, he was doing a havan, like a big program, a jag ਕਹਿ ਲਓ, ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰਾ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਜਾਇਦਾਦ ਸੀ. Nachiketa was observing. ਗੁਰੂ ਨਾਨਕ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਏ ਉਹ ਜਗਤ ਤਮਾਸ਼ਾ. You just observe. ਅੱਛਾ ਇਦਾਂ, like yesterday, wow, your friends are doing all this bad stuff. You just observe. Okay, ਕਰੀ ਜਾਓ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ, ਆਪਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਮੰਨਣੀ ਹੈ. So he then questioned his father. ਉਹਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ father ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਿ ਬਾਪੂ ਜੀ, whatever you call the father, ਪਿਤਾ ਜੀ, dad, ਕਿ why are you giving ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ the cows, ਗਾਈਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਨੇ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੁੱਧ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿੰਦੇ, ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, and the good cows you're keeping it to yourself, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਹੋ. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਖੁੱਲ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਚੈਰਿਟੀ ਕਰੋ, ਰਾਈਟ? ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਫਾਦਰ ਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਸਾ ਚੜ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ why are you questioning me like that? ਤੇ ਨਾਚਿਕੇਤਾ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜੇ ਸਮਾਂ ਆਇਆ will you give me away? ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਦੇ ਦੋਗੇ? ਤੇ ਉਹਦਾ ਫਾਦਰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ I will give you to Dharamraj. ਗੁੱਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਧਰਮਰਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇਣਾ. So Nachiketa said ਸੱਤ ਬਚਨ. Nachiketa then was sent to Dharamraj. ਉਹ 10 ਦਿਨ ਵੇਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਰਿਹਾ for 3 days. This will help you to understand that for a Gursikh, attachment to the world is nothing. Vairag avastha is बस I don't care about anything else. भी मैंने गुरु साहब ही चाहिए, गुरु साहब के दर्शन चाहिए, सच चाहिए. So He waited for 3 days and Dharmaraj jadon aaya, Dharmaraj felt very bad. Ki I made a Brahman da putter, a Brahman son wait for me. So Dharmaraj kehanda, since tusi 3 din wait ਕੀਤੀ, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 3 wish ਦੇਣਾ ਹੈ. So Nachiketa first wish is ਮੇਰੇ father ਨੂੰ ਸੁਖ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੋ, ਆਤਮਿਕ ਸੁਖ ਸ਼ਾਂਤੀ. ਦੂਜਾ wish ਸੀ ਕਿ teach me how to do proper havan or proper jagg, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੰਨ ਦਾਨ properly ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ. And the third wish was teach me the secrets of death, ਕਿ ਮੌਤ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ. Tell me the secret about Atma, about death. And Dharmaraj said, मैं 2 wishes पूरे कर दूं, तीजा नहीं दे सकता. And Nachiketa said, नहीं मैं तो लेना ही है. Tell me the secret. कि जिंदगी ते मौत का secret मैंने दसो. Dharmaraj says, it's like what Bhai Sahib was saying. Dharmaraj कहते, I'll give you the power of the world. Nachiketa said, no. I'll give you Indra Devta's power. Nachiketa said, no. I'll give you Swarga Lok, सारे लोकां दा power. Nachiketa said, no. Nachiketa only wanted Satya. He tell me how to become one with Vaheguru and hara you, make you lose. Because everybody was scared from Dharmaraj. Okay, you know, Jamdutta da Raja and all of that. How to win over death and go to Paramatma, become one with Vaheguru. Dharmaraj कहना ना भाई, तेनो secret दास्ता था सारी दुनिया जित जू, and the whole world will learn about the game, and we'll go to Sachkhand, we'll go to Vaheguruji.
ਉਹ ਸੋਹਣਾ.
But Nachiketa said no. So Dharmaraj had no choice but to sit down and teach Nachiketa about Satchikiya and Jhutkiya, how to live in this world with this without attachment, and understand and recognize that tusi Guru Sahib de Swarup ho. You are a part of Vaheguruji, and we have come from there. We come into this world to remember Vaheguru, and where are we going to go? Is to baad jana kithe hai? And who lives in Sachkhand? Sachkhand vase Nirankar. We want to go back to Ek. Okay? So I will end my lecture here, and tomorrow I will tell you another story. Okay? So Pula Chuka Dikhima, before I let you go, so tell me, what did you remember from today? ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੱਸਣਗੇ ਉਹੀ ਜਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ. ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਸੱਚ ਤੇ ਝੂਠ ਕੀ ਆ? ਓਕੇ, ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਛੇਤੀ ਦੇ ਲਾ ਕੋਈ
How do you win the game of life? ਬਾਅਦ ਚ
ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ
ਪੁੱਛਾਂਗੇ.
ਦੇਖੋ.
Okay? Yes? ਹਾਂਜੀ. That we're just playing a game. ਜਗ ਦੇਖਣ ਆਇਓ ਜਗ ਤਮਾਸ਼ਾ. And we want to win this game. ਉੱਥੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਦੱਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ.
ਬਾਅਦ ਦੇਖ ਲਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆ ਜਾਣਾ. ਹੁਣ ਖਤਮ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਨਾ.
हाँ, the 3 qualities of Maya. थोड़ा assignment याद है? You don't remember? फिर बोल गया. 3 qualities of Maya is what? Okay, from on top. Sir? And Tamogun. So what is really good for you that helps you connect to Vaheguruji? And Rajogun is like neither here nor there. And something stagnant always attracts mosquito, flies and ganda. We cannot be stagnant. And Candikala, Tamogun takes us away from Guru Sahib. So anything you do in your life, the kapde you wear, the food you eat, the words you say, the thoughts you have, the actions you do, the people you live with, your sangat can all be divided into Sato, Rajo and Tamo. So now we are doing this. Sangat, this Sangat goes in which category? Satogun. Now when you go to school and then you have like a group of friends who are like what Bhai Sahib say, smoking, gana karde, bully karde, judge karde, that is what Sangat? Tamagun. Oh nahi karna. Okay? Alright. So hona appa Veer ji aage ne, Veer ji for instructions देंगे and we will go into our workshop. So gaj baj ke aakho ji Vaheguru ji ka खालसा फतेह.
करिए ਆਪਾਂ ਜਕਾਰਾ ਛੱਡੀਏ ਬੋਲੇ ਸੋ ਨਿਹਾਲ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਓਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਧਿਆਨ ਦਈਏ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨੀਲਾ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਨੀਲੇ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਵਾਲੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੇਤੇ ਰੱਖਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾਣਾ ਆ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਮਕਸਦ ਲਾਈਫ ਗੋਲਸ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਵਾਲੀ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਕੀਰਤਨ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਭਾਈ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਭਾਈ ਹਰਮਨ ਸਿੰਘ ਤੇ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਗੁਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਆ ਲਾਈਫ ਗੋਲਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਪਤਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਜੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਿਓ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ जो दूसरे बच्चे आ you gotta be there 3:40 exactly ਸਾਰੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਣੇ ਚਾਹੀਦੇ somebody's walking outside ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਡੀ ਸੈਲਫ ਡਿਫੈਂਸ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਬਲੈਕ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਸਰ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਇਹ ਸੈਲਫ ਡਿਫੈਂਸ ਦੀ ਨਵੀਂ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਨਵਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਗਰੁੱਪ orange ਗਰੁੱਪ ਕਿੱਥੇ orange ਗਰੁੱਪ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਤਰੋ ਬੱਚਿਓ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਵੀ ਭੈਣ ਜੀ ਮੰਗਲ ਕੌਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਖਾਣਾ ਪੀਣਾ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਵਾਲੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹਰ ਸਾਰੇ ਦੀ ਫੇਮਸ ਕਲਾਸ ਤੇ ਚੌਥੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰੈੱਡ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਆ ਰੈੱਡ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਸੁਣਿਓ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਸਹਿਜ ਕੌਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੈੱਡ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਾਣੇ ਯੂ ਗਾਇਜ਼ ਆਰ ਗੋਇੰਗ ਟੂ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਲਿਖਣੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ ਗੱਪੇ ਇਨ ਦ ਮਿਡਲ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਇਨ ਦ ਮਿਡਲ ਬੇਬੀ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਕਲਾਸਰੂਮ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਇਹ ਬੇਨਤੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਣ ਕਰਨੀਆਂ ਸੋ ਜੋ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਮਨਕੀਰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਮਨਕੀਰਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਓਕੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਹੁਣ ਖਿਆਲ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜੋ ਪੁੱਤਰ ਆਪਾਂ 2 ਘੰਟੇ ਹੁਣ 2 ਲੈਕਚਰ ਤੋਂ ਸੁਣੇ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਿਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਵਧਾਉਣੀ ਆ ਰਿਟੇਨ ਕਰਨਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪਤਾ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਫੋਰਗੇਟ ਰਾਈਟ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਵੀ ਡੋਨਟ ਇਵਨ ਥਿੰਕ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਇਟ ਅਗੇਨ ਇਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨੀ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਹੁਣ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਚਾਟ ਪਾਪੜੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਐਜ਼ ਅ ਸਨੈਕ ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਬਰਾਂਡੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਆਂਟੀ ਜੀ's ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਸਾਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵਰਤਾਉਣਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਲਾਈਨ 'ਚ ਲੱਗ ਕੇ ਬੜੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਥਾਲੀਆਂ ਦੇਖਣੀਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲੀ ਚਾਟ ਪਾਪੜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਫਰੂਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲੈਣਾ we're changing it a little bit for the last 5 weeks ਆਪਾਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦੇ 2 ਚੇਂਜਸ ਆ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਹੈਲਥੀ ਖਾਣ ਦਾ ਘੱਟੋ ਘੱਟ ਥੋੜੀ ਚਾਟ ਪਾਪੜੀ ਦੇ ਤੇ ਫਰੂਟ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਲੈਣਾ ਨਾਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਆ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਣ ਦਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਪ੍ਰਮਾਣ ਕਰਿਓ ਸੋ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਦਾ ਸਤਿਕਾਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੱਥਾ ਟੇਕ ਕੇ ਲਾਈਨ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ